He's sucking on his own winky the right way. I'll see winky. Yep. He's stuck on. His own binky. He almost got his binky in his own mouth.
Wow.
And he needs to learn how to pick his stuff up once he gets to that age. Everyone's going to be teaching him everything.
You're going to teach him a lot, huh?
If you keep talking to him, the more he'll learn how to talk.
That's right.
Someday he might, if he gets the wrong idea of talking, he'll probably speak a different language, and then he'll need to go to English class.
Yeah. You playing under there, Amber?
What?
Oh, did he get it? He got it.
He got it.
We missed it.
What?
We missed it on the video.